Welcome to beautiful Riga, where the past and present dance together in a harmonious blend of medieval charm and vibrant modernity. Over the next 4 days, we'll guide you through an immersive journey of more than 20 captivating sites, savoring the rich flavors of traditional Latvian cuisine along the way. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie lover, or simply a traveler in search of beauty, Riga has something magical to offer. Let's dive into this unforgettable adventure. Day 1. We begin our journey in the heart of Riga's old town, at the iconic Town Hall Square. Here, you'll find the House of the Black Heads, a stunning Gothic building that has stood for centuries as a symbol of Riga's rich mercantile history. Originally built in the 14th century for the Brotherhood of Black Heads, this building has been meticulously restored to its former glory, and its intricate details tell stories of the city's vibrant past. Just a short walk from the square is St. Peter's Church, another jewel of Riga's architectural heritage. Take the elevator to the top of its spire for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. From here, you can see the Daugava River winding its way through the landscape, the old town's maze of streets, and beyond. The steady climb offers a perfect moment to take in the layout of the city, setting the stage for the adventures to come. Next, we head to the Riga Cathedral, the largest medieval church in the Baltics. This architectural marvel, with its blend of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles, is not just a place of worship but also a testament to the city's evolving history. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by the resonant sound of one of the world's oldest organs, which has been playing in this sacred space for centuries. After soaking in the historical grandeur, it's time to indulge in some traditional Latvian cuisine at Lido Alus Seta. This beloved eatery offers a warm, rustic ambiance that perfectly complements its hearty dishes. Try the grey peas with bacon, a staple of Latvian cuisine, or savor some potato pancakes served with sour cream. And don't forget to sample a glass of kvass, a refreshing fermented drink that's uniquely Latvian. Our journey continues with a visit to the Three Brothers, the oldest complex of dwelling houses in Riga. Each of these buildings, from the 15th to 17th centuries, represents a different period of architectural style. The steady passage of time is beautifully captured here, where the Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque elements stand side by side. Next, we take a short walk to the Latvian National Opera and Ballet, a cornerstone of Riga's cultural life. Even if you're not catching a performance, the building itself is a masterpiece of neoclassical architecture, which has been showcasing the finest in opera and ballet since the 19th century. Your next stop is the Freedom Monument, a powerful symbol of Latvia's independence and national pride. Erected in 1935, this towering structure stands as a tribute to those who fought for Latvia's freedom. The steady gaze of the woman atop the monument, holding 3 stars that represent Latvia's regions, serves as a reminder of the resilience and strength of the Latvian people. On our way to the KGB house, we have the beautiful Cathedral of the Nativity of Christ. It's the largest Orthodox cathedral in Riga. And in 2010, the bell tower and the dome were gilded, at a cost of €550,000. The interior adorned with intricate frescoes and icons, making it a visually stunning landmark, where remains an active place of worship today. Our final stop of the day is the corner house where once served as the headquarters of the Soviet KGB. During the Soviet occupation it was used for interrogations, imprisonment, and torture of political prisoners. Today, the building has been partially transformed into a museum, where visitors can learn about Latvia's dark past under Soviet rule. End your first day in Riga with a truly immersive experience at Rozengrils, a medieval restaurant that transports you back to the 13th century. Here, you'll dine by candlelight on traditional dishes like wild game and hearty stews, accompanied by mead and ale. The steady hum of medieval music and the flicker of torchlight make this dinner a feast for the senses and a fitting conclusion to your day in Riga's old town. Day 2 begins with a walk through Riga's Art Nouveau district, home to one of the largest and most beautiful collections of Art Nouveau buildings in the world. As you stroll down Alberta Street, you'll be captivated by the whimsical designs and elaborate details that define this architectural style. The steady rhythm of your footsteps matches the flowing curves and intricate patterns that adorn the buildings, each one a masterpiece in its own right. A visit to the Riga Art Nouveau Museum offers a deeper understanding of this architectural style. Housed in a beautifully preserved Art Nouveau apartment, the museum provides a glimpse into the lifestyle of the early 20th century. The steady preservation of these interiors, from the elegant furniture to the delicate light fixtures, allows you to step back in time and experience the elegance of a bygone era. Next, we make our way to the Latvian National Museum of Art, a treasure trove of Latvian and international art. The museum's impressive collection is housed in a stunning building that itself is a work of art, blending traditional and modern architectural elements. The steady journey through its galleries takes you from classical masterpieces to contemporary works, offering a comprehensive overview of the nation's artistic heritage. For lunch, we head to Folk Club's Alla Pagrabs, an underground tavern that's a favorite among locals and visitors alike. The steady beat of traditional Latvian folk music sets the tone as you enjoy hearty dishes like sauerkraut, fermented shredded cabbage with a tangy, salty flavor, delicious smoked fish, and potato pancakes. The warm, rustic ambiance, combined with the rich flavors of traditional Latvian fare, makes this a dining experience not to be missed. After lunch, take in the breathtaking views of Riga from the observation deck of the Latvian Academy of Sciences, also known as Stalin's birthday cake. The steady climb to the top is rewarded with a 360-degree panorama of the city, offering a new perspective on the places you've visited so far and those still to come. Next, we immerse ourselves in the local culture at Riga Central Market, one of the largest and most vibrant markets in Europe. The steady buzz of activity is infectious as you wander through the 5 enormous pavilions, housed in repurposed Zeppelin hangars from World War I here. You can sample a variety of local delicacies, from smoked fish to Latvian cheeses, and even pick up some handmade crafts as souvenirs. Our final stop of the day is the Latvian National Library, a striking modern building known as the Castle of Light. This architectural marvel symbolizes the nation's thirst for knowledge and cultural growth. Inside, you'll find a wealth of resources, from ancient manuscripts to modern publications, all housed within a space that's as inspiring as the works it contains. End your day with a gourmet dinner at 1221 Restaurants, located in a charming 18th century building in the heart of Old Town. This restaurant offers a refined take on traditional Latvian cuisine, with dishes that celebrate the natural flavors of the region. The steady attention to detail, from the presentation to the service, ensures a dining experience that is as memorable as the day's adventures. Day 3 is all about reconnecting with nature, starting with a visit to Mezoparks, Riga's green oasis. This expansive park offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle, with its tree-lined avenues, serene lakes, and lush lawns. Within the park, you'll find the Riga Zoo, where you can encounter a diverse range of animals from around the world. The steady sounds of nature, from the rustling leaves to the calls of the animals, create a tranquil atmosphere that's perfect for a relaxing morning. Just a stone's throw from Mezoparks is Kisezer's Lake, a favorite spot for water sports enthusiasts and nature lovers. Rent a kayak or paddleboard and enjoy a peaceful glide across the water, taking in the stunning natural surroundings. The steady rhythm of your paddling, combined with the calmness of the lake, offers a perfect moment of serenity amidst your Riga adventure. Our next stop is the Ethnographic Open-Air Museum of Latvia, one of the oldest and largest open-air museums in Europe. Spread across 87 hectares of forested land, this museum features over 100 traditional buildings, from different regions of Latvia, each carefully relocated and reconstructed. The steady commitment to preserving Latvia's cultural heritage is evident as you explore the farmsteads, churches, and windmills, gaining insight into the rural life of the past. After a morning of exploring, enjoy a leisurely picnic by the Lake Nibi. Pick up some fresh local produce from the market or a nearby deli, and savor the simple pleasures of Latvian cuisine in a beautiful natural setting. No visit to Riga is complete without a trip to Jūrmala Beach, just a short drive from the city. Known for its long stretches of golden sand and calm shallow waters, Jūrmala is the perfect spot to unwind and soak up the sun. The steady sound of the waves and the salty sea air create a relaxing ambiance that's ideal for an afternoon of beachside bliss. Before heading back to Riga, stop by Gintari Forest Park, a family-friendly destination, offering a range of outdoor activities. Whether you're exploring the treetop paths, testing your skills on the adventure playgrounds, or simply enjoying a stroll through the pine forest, the steady immersion in nature provides a refreshing counterbalance to the city's urban energy. Conclude your day of nature and relaxation with dinner at Latvia, a charming lakeside restaurant known for its fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The steady ripple of the lake and the soft glow of the setting sun create a serene backdrop as you enjoy dishes like grilled fish, seasonal vegetables, and homemade desserts. It's the perfect ending to a day of natural beauty and tranquility. Day 4. Our final day in Riga begins with a visit to the Riga Motor Museum, a must-see for automobile enthusiasts. This state-of-the-art museum houses an impressive collection of vintage and classic cars, from pre-war models to Soviet-era vehicles. The steady evolution of automotive technology is on full display here, with each car telling its own story of design and innovation. Next, we delve into another facet of Latvia's industrial heritage at the Latvian Railway History Museum. Located near the city center, this museum offers a fascinating look at the history of rail transport in Latvia. The steady hum of history resonates as you explore the impressive collection of locomotives, railcars, and memorabilia, each piece representing a different chapter in Latvia's transportation story. Continuing our exploration of modern culture, we visit the Museum Art Center, a dynamic space dedicated to contemporary art. This vibrant venue hosts rotating exhibitions that showcase both local and international artists, offering a fresh perspective on the modern art scene. For lunch, we head to Mazais Auto, a stylish eatery that offers a modern twist on traditional Latvian cuisine. The steady craftsmanship of the chefs is evident in every dish, from the beautifully plated appetizers to the inventive main courses. After lunch, we visit the Riga Ghetto and Latvian Holocaust Museum, a somber but essential stop on our journey. This museum offers a deep and moving exploration of the history of the Jewish community in Latvia, particularly during the dark days of World War II. The steady commitment to remembrance and education is palpable here, as the exhibits and memorials paid tribute to the lives lost, and the resilience of those who survived. Our final afternoon in Riga is spent at Bastion Hill Park, a lush green space that offers some of the best views of the city's skyline. As you stroll through the park's winding paths and beautifully manicured gardens, the steady beauty of Riga reveals itself in new ways. The park is the perfect place to reflect on the past few days, with its serene atmosphere providing a moment of calm before we conclude our incredible and unforgettable journey. We end our 4-day adventure with a farewell dinner at Vincent's, one of Riga's most renowned restaurants. Here, the steady pursuit of culinary excellence is on full display. With a menu that combines the finest local ingredients with international flair. Each course is a masterpiece, from the amuse-bouche to the decadent desserts, making this the perfect finale to your unforgettable journey through Riga. As our journey comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired by the vibrant culture, rich history, and natural beauty of Riga, offering a diverse and unforgettable experience that leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Riga. Until next time, may your travels be filled with adventure, discovery, and steady moments of wonder. Farewell, and see you in the next video.